Hey honey, it's me Tato back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, let's make this delicious braai salad. As usual guys, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. You're gonna begin by sauteing your onions in some butter and oil. You're gonna go ahead and season with your crushed garlic herb. You can also use fresh garlic or fresh herbs. It's up to you, honey. Then I'm gonna add my stir fry mix, which are carrots, a baby marrow or zucchini, and some red bell peppers. You can also switch it up if you like. Then you're going to go ahead and saute that for about 30 seconds and season with some crushed garlic. You can also use garlic salt. I'm gonna use some onion powder, some paprika, and this Portuguese peri spice. If you're gonna use this one, please be careful, it's very spicy. And then you're gonna go ahead and saute and cook the spices for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium low heat. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and add a can of this braai relish. You can also use canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes grated, it's up to you, honey. Then you're gonna go ahead and bring that to a simmer, close the pot, and simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes. As you can see, it's looking all beautiful. You're gonna go ahead and make sure to stir it up and check if it's burning at the bottom. Gonna go ahead and finish off with some red kidney beans and some butter beans. Stir those in. You can also decide to just buy 1 can of the 3-bean mix, okay? And I decided to add some of the juice of this canned mild pepper juice, which is absolutely optional. Because this was so spicy, I wanted to add a little bit of sweetness into it. I'm going to add some chutney, but you can also go do away with some sweet chili sauce. Cover it for the last 5 minutes and it's done. At this point, the stove is off and you can enjoy this braai or barbecue season. Please subscribe guys, like the video, and I will see you on the next one.